Keeping clothes mended and repaired is no small task, especially if you have a busy family. But we found a great product that can make those chores a breeze. Tear Mender is a durable, long-lasting, and permanent solution for minor tears to clothing, household fabrics, and outdoor gear without sewing. Repairing a rip in your kids' jeans is simple. Just turn them inside out, then get a small patch of fabric slightly larger than the tear. Any fabric will do. Put Tear Mender around the tear and then on the patch. You can use your bare hands because there are no harmful chemicals in this product. Then place the patch over the tear. Press it together, wait for 3 minutes, and you have a permanent repair. You can mend hems, reattach pant loops, even fix sweaters with Tear Mender. Problems with pillows, lace, rugs, or drapery are fixed in no time. Just apply the liquid onto one side of the mend and press the edges together for 3 minutes. No one would ever know there was a problem. Decorate your kids' backpacks, fix stuffed animals, repair sporting equipment. It's great for all kinds of no-sew home projects. And then you can get creative. You can put up decorations or attach posters to doors or windows with Tear Mender. It won't leave a residue when you peel it off. This little bottle is a problem solver and time saver for all kinds of repairs and projects around the house.